Welcome to the world's tallest indoor waterfall at Singapore Jewel Changi Airport. Yes, you heard me right, this is an airport. This is called Rain Vortex, which is 40 meters high, 7 stories tall, and it pumps 500,000 gallons of water through the roof of the Jewel building. And the best part, this runs 24/7. I think this is the only airport where you can come just to enjoy and relax even though you don't intend to take a flight. It has 9 iconic play attractions like your jumping Skynets, which relieves your childhood memories, the largest indoor hedge maze of Singapore with an elevated tower, 50-meter long canopy bridge to have awesome panoramic view of Jewel, and then the Canopy Park, which boasts 4 attractions like your thrilling discovery slides, a great photo spot called Topiary Walk, children's favorite Foggy Bowl, and lastly the walk around your petal garden. We will tell you all about these attractions, their prices, do's and don'ts, and are they worth your money, so relax and enjoy this video. Firstly, we visited the Skynets bouncing, and as you are not allowed to bring tripods or bags, so please keep them in the baggage section. The locker is free of charge, however it's not big enough to store a luggage or a huge backpack. If you are wearing heels or slippers, then you can borrow the shoes from here. Currently, the standard ticket price is 22 SGD for adults, while for children it is 16 SGD, which is above 3 years of age. But I would recommend to take bundle packages as they will be more worth.
For kids of this height, it is 110 centimeter that they allow you. So my kid was just above like 4 centimeter on this.
The giant net is 250 meter long and is made above Canopy Park. You can bounce, rebound on these nets and have some awesome time with your family or friends, or even if you are alone.
I hope I would be okay by the time I reach down and say bye bye. So that was fun. Yay! Yes, we'll go again. Definitely it is worth coming over here because where do you get this kind of activities to be done? So now I will be going 4th time onto this ride. One thing I would like to tell you, don't hold this wire while you are going down the slide because it can hurt your finger, so be cautious about that. This is the Rain Vortex that you are seeing behind me, then that's the bridge from where the train will go, and this is above the Canopy Park. It's 8 meter of height above the Canopy Park, so it's very close to the ceiling, this whole ceiling actually that you see on the top. So you can see the Canopy Bridge over there, and then that is the Canopy Park below, and that's the Vortex. So there is a jumping park and then there is a walking park. So I'm not sure whether I would want to go to this walking park because it's almost like the same but more of an effort. I wouldn't recommend it, but if you have time and if you take a pass, which I would do recommend to take a pass, because if you take individual tickets that will be very costly. So let me show you how I can run over here. Yay!
Next attraction is the Singapore's largest indoor hedge maze. This was my first time visiting any maze, hence I was very excited about it. Standard ticket price is 12 SGD for adults, while 8 SGD for children above 3 years. Stay alert for decorative gates which can open in many directions, and you may find couple of gates, so keep an eye on them. I found this mechanical gate very fascinating.
So we are trying to find the exit now. Actually there is one tower over here. I can see that tower. So this is the tower. So we have to go to that tower. We are trying to that tower. Oh, see, gonna go straight. See.
Wow. Oh wow.
Oh no, the flower goes back. And they come again. Wow. This is all plastic flowers. Finally, I made it. Yay. Now let's go. Let's go on the roof. On the roof. On the roof.
And this is the whole maze that we were traversing.
And those were the flowers that we went past. And this side is the whole canopy park. Not a very tough maze, I would say.
Smaller one.
Very small maze. Right now we are at Canopy Bridge. This is above the Canopy Park. We are approximately at around 10th floor. And this is the Vortex waterfall. This is a kind of a donut kind of a structure. And it's having 9,000 glasses over here. These all 9,000 glasses are all of different shapes. So this canopy is only a short distance. I can show you from there, from the very end of that place to particular that place. It's very small distance. Now, is it worth to travel to this distance? Is something to be thought of. It is $8 ticket for adult. Now, the best part of this Canopy Bridge is the
Glass floor where you have to walk. When you're walking on it, just don't look, So it's better that you just don't look, just walk, and you can walk if you're scared of heights. See, I'm not scared anymore. Until I see down,
There is also fog that sometimes comes out from this glass bridge. You can spend as much time you want over here, enjoy, relax, take some good Instagram pictures, and that's all about it.
Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy and have a sparkling time. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the Canopy Park located at the topmost level 5 of the Jewel Changi Airport. The Canopy Park general ticket costs 5 SGD for all persons above 3-year-old, which according to me is a reasonable price as you get 4 attractions to visit in this cost. Also do remember, if you are buying tickets to Hazmaze or Skynet Bouncing, then you don't need to buy this ticket as it comes free with those tickets. First attraction in the Canopy Park is the Topiary Walk, which is a garden with cute animals made from colorful flowers and plants. As we entered the Topiary Walk, we found a giant colorful lizard made from flowers. Then we saw these 2 orangutans made from biodegradable coconut fiber. There is a famous 3 wise monkey saying, see no evil, hear no evil and speak no evil, and I guess these orangutans represent that. Next, we had this cute beautiful bird for perfect Instagram photos. For real crocodile, you would not dare to do that. My most beautiful animal was this pink elephant made out of flowers. Next attraction is the Discovery Slide, which is a playground with a viewing deck while you enjoy the spaceship-like structure, which is a real work of art. There are 4 slides to enjoy here. The viewing deck of the Discovery Slide provides a fantastic view of Jewel Forest Valley and the rain vortex. The water is pumped through the 5th floor to the glass dome through a network of pipes on the facade, from where it is dropped down at the basement 2, which is 40 meters down into the conical structure. There are 4 different slides you can enjoy, and I started with the steel spiral slide, which was fun. My boy tried the other open family slide. Do note that the minimum height requirement for this attraction is 110 cm. Next, we went to the foggy bowls, which are 4 concave misty bowls, which create a mist and gives you a feel of playing among the crowds. The kids will love playing around those clouds, blowing those clouds and hiding themselves with it, while parents can relax in these artificial gardens. Next, we went down to the petal garden. Petal garden basically is a garden of flowers, and I was told that the display will change periodically with seasonal flowers from around the world. You will find lot of seats to sit around and relax here. Also, it's another best place to grab some Instagram photos or selfies. Tired and hungry, we set out to grab some food.
Burger King and then wayfinding.
And this machine shows you the whole way graphically where you can get your food. And this is the new normal after COVID, that you have to wear mask everywhere in the mall, and only at the time of dining you can take them out. Also, you need to scan before entering this outlet. As we were damn hungry, so we quickly finished our food.
So if you want to dine when you are visiting Changi Jewel, then you can come down to basement 2, and here you have the waterfall from the 10th floor to the basement 2 right now over here. There is no sound of this water coming down, even though it is coming from the 10th floor to basement 2, there is no sound at all. This is soundproof glass. There is a big water tank over here that keeps all that water, and then the water pumps back to 5th floor from here. And then from 5th floor it goes again to the 10th floor. This is a 10 story, 5 from the top and 5 in the basement.
Do remember to hit the like and subscribe button to explore the world with me, and keep getting awesome content and travel tips for your future travel.